Want to make your morning routine better than ever? Watch this video where I share the details of my miracle morning. The miracle morning is practiced by over 500,000 people worldwide. I'll walk you through the details of all 6 steps: silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. Silence. I put on my headphones, my weighted vest, walk on the back porch while listening to my Christian morning meditation. By the way, links to everything will be in the description below. Exercise. I like to do this first thing because it boosts my metabolism. Most days I do a version of the 7-minute workout. Affirmations. I read out loud with conviction 2 documents. One is my envisioned future from Living Forward, and the other one is just called my daily declarations and prayers. Visualization. I like to put on a virtual room from YouTube, set the timer for 3 minutes, and just visualize my day, each step of my day from when I wake up to when I go to sleep. It makes an incredible difference. Reading. I set a timer for 3 minutes to read and meditate on Scripture. Right now, I'm focused on the words of Jesus. Scribing. I use my iPad right now for doing journaling. I use the Workflow app to create a template in the Day 1 journal. Pretty soon, I'll probably be switching to the Full Focus journal, a paper journal. This is by far the most impactful morning routine I've ever created. Comment below and let me know what works for you and what doesn't. Now you know my morning routine. That's half the battle. The other half is the evening routine. Click the link in the description to download a link to my exact evening routine. If you like this video, make sure to like it, tap the bell icon, subscribe, and share it with your friends. That's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.